This one's got the goggles. Let's have a look. Right, I personally would not wear the hood because I just don't like looking like a bee. Guys, I hope you are all doing well. I hope you're all good. I'm actually really looking forward to the next couple of weeks because we should hopefully be coming out, or they should be lowering restrictions a little bit. As always, I just want to thank everyone for supporting the videos. I still always check the comments and see that lots of people are still supporting, so I want to say a big thank you to you guys. In this video, I will be doing a mystery unboxing. Now, we've been sent a whole bunch of items from a store called 7 Store. Now, they're based up in Liverpool, but unfortunately with the restrictions, they are currently closed, but there's still a lot of stuff going online, so you can check out their website. They're like a premium luxury store, but unfortunately I've never been to the store. I've been to Liverpool loads of times, but I think they've kind of opened up more recently in the last couple of years. They stock Moncler, Canada Goose, Off-White, Arc'teryx as well. They do North Face, the North Face Black Label, MKI, Mason Margiela, lots of exciting brands on there. So what I like is they kind of mix up the brands with kind of like high premium brands, premium streetwear brands, even like lots of sportswear brands. They do like Adidas, New Balance, Nike, they do a lot of. Now 7 Store have gone ahead and sent us a whole bunch of items for me to do a mystery unboxing. Unfortunately, I won't be able to keep these items, but I still get excited showcasing them to you and trying them on and giving you guys a full review. So this video has been sponsored by 7 Store, so make sure to show them some love. Jump on the website, jump on their socials and drop them a follow. Now, to show our followers some love, they've given us a 15% off discount code, which is not available anywhere else. So it's not available on any other place. It's not even available on their website. It's exclusive to us and our followers. And I'm going to share that code in the description box below. So a lot of the items that you do see in this video, you will be able to get 15% off. Right, this is the mystery box that I've been sent in from 7 Store. First thing we got is a Canada Goose. What is this? I've had quite a few of these in. Canada Goose Lodge jackets. That's the first thing. Oh my days, Off-White. I've actually been feeling Off-White as of late, to be honest. Right, that's them. That's the Off-White trainers. I think I've just seen this as part of the new collection, so those look really nice. Yes. Right, there's lots of stuff in there, man. Got another Canada Goose CROFTON vest. That's good. It's got a gilet there. CP Company. Lots of people asking me about CP companies. What one's this? Moncler. Looks like a vest. Moncler ROCHEFORT gilet. Never had that one before. Moncler top. T-shirt. Boom. That one. Yeah, how do they put all this stuff in one box? Right, got CP Company top. So that's good. Got this, another Moncler LAPPE gilet, so I'll be trying that on. And I've got another Moncler. Jeez. Okay, boom. That is the GILET. Gilet. Why can't I never pronounce these things? 7 Store is 100% legitimate retailer. They deal directly with the brands. They're 100% authentic. They tend to have a mix of like luxury brands, premium brands, and some kind of like very affordable, accessible brands as well. Have a real quick look, show you exactly what type of stuff they got. So let's have a look. I'm on the 7 Store website and I'm just having a browse through. So they've got quite a broad mix of brands. They do Arc'teryx as well. A lot of people have been asking me about Arc'teryx. That's another brand that they do. So back like maybe it was like 2 or 3 months ago, they done like 20% or 25% off Canada Goose. So we shared that with our followers. Chili Wax, the Lodge jacket, and a lot of our followers are getting really good deals. This Nike tracksuit that I've seen right here, this kind of like lavender one with the lavender top, the lavender bottoms, I don't think that was available on the Nike website. Now I know that 7 Store do a 14-day refund policy as well. What more can I say? Check out the site. I think they're pretty dope. Right, let's move on to this unboxing. First things first, we've got this CP Company jacket. Recently they've just celebrated their 50th anniversary. I know they brought out some different collections for that. Now, before people always ask me what size the items are, so I've got to tell them this is a size large. This is a CP Company overshirt with the goggle. So let's have a look. So I probably want to try a different top because this is not going to go. This is too baggy. I need something that's going to be a little bit more slim fit. So let me just change it up really quick, yeah? Right. That's it. Cool. Yeah, that works for me. Okay, so this CP Company overshirt for a large. As a large, I feel this is a really small on the sleeves. So just to note, if you're going for the large, it might just be a little short. You might want to go for the extra large. I'm just feeling like it feels a bit small on me. But obviously, we're moving into the springtime now, so a lot of people are going to be looking for more lighter wear. Even though it still feels a little bit cold, but I reckon in about a month or so, probably going to warm up quite a lot. So I think something like this is pretty nice. So this one's got the goggles. Right. I personally would not wear the hood because I just don't like looking like a bee. I would have it always down. Don't get me wrong, I like CP Company, but I've never really been a fan of the goggle hood myself. I do prefer it when they got the watch viewfinder on the arm. I think the lens there is a lot more smarter, but that's just my choice. Vislon YKK zippers. This should also come with, yeah, there it is. It's in the upper pocket. Certi logo. Now remember, you're not meant to show people the number. Never share your Certi logo number with anyone, because if too many people use it, then it can void it. Then you got to call Certi logo up and get it all sorted out. So that's just long. So yeah, avoid that. Right, the next one is is this gilet. Let's have a look at this gilet. This is a size extra large, so let's see how this fits. I feel like the extra large fits me, but what I would say with the matte zips is they may chit a little bit more easier, so that could be a bit of a pain in the bum, that one, to be honest. What I really like is the neck. The neck feels cool. So this is a size 4 or 5. This is XL. This should be a 5, but I'm feeling like it's a size 4. Now the reason why there's confusion is, so when I first started looking into Moncler, a size 4 would have been a large, whereas now they're saying a size 4 is an extra large. So they've actually changed it as of, I think, maybe the last 3, 4, 5 years, something like that. But I know the size 4 to be a size large, okay? So that's why this fits me well. I like the way the collar kind of comes out. It does feel quite puffy, actually, to be fair. I've also got this kind of different color here, which is the Moncler colorway, so yeah, that's a little bit different. Yeah, if you want to go for a size large, then go for the 4. If you want to go for extra large, go for the size 5, okay? Right, next one. Right, so we've got this Canada Goose. Is it CROFTON? This is a new model. I have not seen this. Now I know some people don't like it when it's too shiny, like the Moncler Myers. I would personally prefer to go for the Arctic Tech materials. Those are the type of gilets that I would prefer to go for Canada Goose. But in saying that, now that we're moving into the springtime, people might prefer that the gilets were a little bit more light. This is still puffy, but it's just a little bit more light. So this is probably more in tune for spring as opposed to winter. It's got the Canada Goose there. It almost reminds me of Moncler Grenoble. They do that. They put like they put their kind of like writing on the side there. And that's pretty cool. Oh, it's a pack away jacket, so you can actually pack this away. So shall we try it out? Yeah, let's have a go. So the new Canada Goose is not coming. There will usually be a blue assurance label, but it is no longer part of the Canada Goose collection. So some people were asking me, it is true. But yeah, I was meant to be packing it up. Right, let's have a look. I love that. I mean, stuff like this, you just pack it away, keep it in your car, keep it in your bag, boom, 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 and you're good to go. Pack away. Yeah, man. That's not too bad, actually. Yeah. Put up a football, just give it a kick. More gilets. So we're actually going crazy with the gilets here. So this is a Moncler LAPPE gilet. Right. This material looks very, very different. Okay. I'll be honest with you, I'm not too sure about this material. I'm not used to this, man. Nah, I'm not feeling this one. LAPPE. Now, some people might be feeling it. What I would say is it does look water resistant. It looks like the water would slide right off the material. This thin strip that goes over the zip, which protects the water from hitting the zip. So that tells me that this is actually water resistant. I'm just not too sure about this shiny material, if I'm to be honest. Now this is a size extra large and it's feeling like it's actually fitting me, which I'm sure if I went for a size 4 it would probably fit just a little bit better. But yeah, this one I'm not too sure about, guys, if I'm to be honest. This one is overly shiny for me. There seems to be like a ripstop material on the inside and it seems to be coated in some type of lacquer, which is giving it this really, really bright shine. Remember, there's not a lot of water resistant Moncler stuff, so when it does come out it is a little bit of a bonus. But this one I'm just not too sure about. So the next item I'm going to show you is the CP Company Hoodie. So let's have a look at that. Right, so looks, I really like that. And that kind of material, actually good quality elastic bit there. And that print there feels rubberized. I feel like this CP Company print right there, I feel like if that was to wash a couple of times, I do actually feel like it wouldn't wash off. So that's good to see. So let me put this on. Now this is a size large. I'm not trying to be funny, but I think out of all the items, this is probably my favorite. This is a really nice hoodie. So CP Company is actually coming up a little bit small. I thought CP Company fixed that issue. I thought they were actually now had the sizing correct, but it looks like a lot of the items are still size 1 up. So if you're a size large, you're gonna have to go for an XL. It can be really confusing for people sometimes. I don't feel comfortable in the sleeves. It feels too short. Zip there on the side, so you can actually put stuff in there. You got the viewfinder on the arm, and I've got CP Company there. And I would rather that than the goggles personally. I know not everyone's gonna feel the same about that. You know me, I'm always picky when it comes to the end of the finishings of the hoodies. If I show you my off-white one, look how they finished that. Rubberized. You got the nice off-white. That's how I like to see the end of my hoodies, with the studs. But you know, it's a small gripe, it's no biggie. Yes. Now, funny enough, this is a size 3, so got a mixed bag of sizes here. This is a medium, or a size small to medium. Let's see how this fits. It's probably going to be a little bit too small. Yeah, lightweight gilet, but size 3 is a medium, so it's too small for me. So I actually need a size 4, which will be a large. Moncler GILET collection's been going on for quite a while. As I said, with stuff like this, it just acts as a kind of vest. You can put like jackets over it, and you've got that down insulation. Got a bit more of like a matte finish. And this one as well can also be put into a little bag, just like the Canada Goose jacket. You can actually wrap that in there, put it in a small little bag which comes with it. That's inside the pockets. Most of this stuff you're seeing here is going to be all the spring, summer coming up. Right, moving on to the Canada Goose Lodge jackets. Canada Goose have actually released 2 kinds of lodge now. This looks like it's the matte version. Now the matte version just has a different finish and a different material. If you want something that's going to be a little bit more dull without the shine, then go for the matte version. I prefer the more shinier version. Is there a difference? I think it's just the material. I think they're just the same. They both got high amount of water resistance. They're both with a lightweight down. I think this one just looks a little bit more discreet in colour. It's for the lightweight down jackets from Canada Goose. This is very, very popular. People seem to really, really like these ones. Okay, is that everything? Oh, so the last one that we got in is these out of office calf special white trainers from Off-White. I just think they're a little bit different. One thing I would say is the quality of these are solid. These are really well made trainers. I like these. They're a little bit different. Solid. These are a size 10. Yeah. Now I think I saw Balenciaga or someone do something like this where they've kind of used some text on the side of the trainers. I can't remember who it is. Got a little air bubble on the sole there. Proper solid, man. Really well made. Off-Whites have been doing quite a lot of trainers. They're kind of more known for their trainers, I would say, rather than their outerwear stuff. Well, to start off with anyway, you can get 15% off most of these items that I've shown you with our special code, which you'll find in the description box below. But yeah, those are the Off-White trainers right there, the out of office leather calf sneakers, trainers, shoes, you know what I mean. Last but not least, the Moncler t-shirt. Do you know what? I'm not usually a fan of design t-shirts, but the quality of this one actually feels really nice. If you look carefully, you can see got Moncler, got like some Moncler. You can see the logo right there. It's a little bit different. You can barely see it, but yeah, you got the Moncler on the arm. You know, you spend a lot of money on the t-shirts, and sometimes you get t-shirts, they just feel really bog standard. But in fairness to this one, the quality feels really good because it's quite fit. Probably one of the better quality designer t-shirts that I have actually come across. This is a size large. Yeah. Right, guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. I hope you found it informative. Thank our sponsor and go and visit them on their website to go and see exactly what they're saying. Follow them on socials. We've got a special 15% off discount code in the description box below, so make sure to go and check that out. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and I will be doing more luxury designer videos, premium designer videos, and even budget videos as well, okay? I'm out of here. Lots more coming. Peace out.